Welcome to Remo Software. Have you accidentally formatted your hard drive and lost all your important data? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to recover your files from a hard drive that has been formatted. The first thing you should do is stop using the formatted hard drive immediately to prevent any further data overwriting. Understanding hard drive formatting and reasons why you might need to format a hard drive. Before we proceed with the recovery process, it's essential to understand what the hard drive formatting actually means. Formatting a hard drive involves preparing it for the data storage for creating a file system. It erases all the data on the drive, including the file directory structure. Reasons why you might need to format a hard drive. Sometimes you make mistakes and accidentally format your hard drive. At other times, you might come across certain situations where you have to format your hard drive. Here are some possible reasons why you might need to format your hard drive. Accidental formatting. You might mistakenly format the wrong drive or click the format option without realizing the consequences. Disk errors. Persistent disk errors or attempt to fix bad sectors on a hard drive may prompt you to format the drive in an attempt to fix the issues. Virus or malware attack. In some cases, severe virus infections can corrupt the system files, leading to the need for formatting. Operating system reinstallation. During a fresh installation of the operating system, you may choose to format the hard drive to ensure a clean installation. System optimization. Occasionally, a hard drive is formatted as part of system optimization to improve performance. To change the file system. One reason to format a hard drive is to change the file system, such as switching from FAT32 to NTFS file system. Precautions to take after formatting a hard drive. Stop using the hard drive immediately after formatting to minimize the data overwrite. Remember, acting quickly and using a reliable data recovery software is crucial to increase your chances of successful recovery. Avoid turning the drive on and off repeatedly, as it can cause mechanical stress and further data loss. How to recover files from a hard drive that has been formatted. Data recovery can be a lifesaver when you have accidentally formatted your drive. We have added two effective methods that will help you recover your lost files. Method 1. How to recover data using Remo Recover software. Simply download and install the efficient and reliable data recovery tool Remo Recover software on your computer. It has a simple and user-friendly interface, and the tool is capable of recovering data from simple data loss scenarios such as deleted file recovery or formatted drive recovery to complex data loss scenarios like recovery from a corrupted drive, etc. Launch or open the Remo Recover Windows software. Click on Can't Find Drive option from the lower left-hand corner. Select the drive from which you wish to recover the data and click on Scan button to initiate the scanning process. The software will now initiate a deep scan on the selected drive. Click on Dynamic Recovery View option to see the recovered files while the deep scan is running. You could even preview and save the recovered files while the scan is running. After the scan is complete, the software will display a list of recoverable files and folders from the formatted drive. Browse and open the Lost Partitions section to see your recoverable files. Check the files under each lost partition. In case, if the desired files are not found, then check for your files under Lost and Found Files or Tags section. Now, checkmark the desired files you wish to recover and click on Recover button. Do not save the recovered files back to the same drive from where the files were lost. Choose a save location to save the recovered files and click on OK. Now, the software starts saving the recovered data to the selected output folder. After the recovery is complete, software displays a message as Saving process completed successfully. Congratulations, you have successfully recovered your files from the formatted hard drive. Method 2. Recover data from a formatted drive using data recovery services. If you still can't recover your lost data using a data recovery software, it's recommended to seek professional help or consult data recovery service provider. Best practices to improve data recovery success rate. The success rate of data recovery after multiple formats depends on various factors like the extent of formatting and overwritten data. So, avoid saving new data to your formatted hard drive. Acting quickly and using an efficient and reliable data recovery software like Remo Recover is crucial to increase your chances of successful recovery. In conclusion, formatting can erase the data on your hard drive, but with the right tools and precautions, you can recover your lost data from a hard drive that has been formatted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Thank you for watching.